Hello student, welcome in my YouTube channel Science Classes. Today we study the class 12 chapter solid state topic clothes packing in 3 dimension. In previous classes we study the clothes packing in 1 dimension and 2 dimension. In 1 dimension clothes packing occurs in a one row according to the any one axis, x axis or y axis or z axis. In the 2 dimension by placing the second layer above the first layer, there are two types of arrangement obtained in the 2 dimension. First, when we place the second layer just above the first layer, then a square close pack layer of the 2 dimension is obtained, or when we place the second layer by covering the depression of first layer, then hexagonal close pack layer in 2 dimension is obtained. Then we study the close packing in the 3 dimension. Close packing in the 3 dimension, first we use the square close pack layer of the 2 dimension. In this arrangement, second layer of the square close packing of the 2 dimension place just above the first layer. In this arrangement, second layer of the square close packing of the 2 dimension placed just above the first layer, and third layer just above the second layer, and fourth layer just above the third layer, and so on. Due to this arrangement, simple cubic or primitive cubic unit cell obtained. Coordination number of simple cubic unit cell are 6. If the arrangement is the body centered cubic unit cell, then coordination number is 8. How can we arrange the one layer and one second layer of the square close packing in 2 dimension? On the first layer, we take this square and make the layer, that is the first square close pack layer. Then we placed that is the first square close pack layer. Then we place the second layer, then we place the second layer, then we place the third layer of the square close packing of 2 dimension. That is third layer. We again put the fourth layer. And so on, fifth layer, sixth layer, and so on. Due to this arrangement, the simple cubic unit cell obtained. Coordination number of simple cubic unit cell are 6. If by this arrangement body centered cubic unit cell is obtained, then the coordination number of the body centered unit cell is 8. Then we study the second close packing in 3 dimension. Second close packing in 3 dimension occurs by using the hexagonal close pack layer of the 2 dimension. This arrangement occurs in the following steps. That means the close packing in 3 dimension obtained by using hexagonal close pack layer of 2 dimension. Placing of the hexagonal close pack layer occurs in the following step. First step, in this arrangement, second hexagonal close pack layer of 2 dimension placed above first hexagonal close pack layer of 2 dimension. In such manner, the second layer cover the depression of first layer or wards of first layer. That means सेकेंड हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैक लेयर ऑफ 2 डायमेंशन को हम फर्स्ट लेयर के ऊपर इस तरह से अरेंज रखते हैं या प्लेस करते हैं कि वह फर्स्ट लेयर की डिप्रेशन को कवर कर ले. ड्यू टू दिस अरेंजमेंट, 2 types of wires are produced. How can we place the second layer? First we form the hexagonal close pack layer of the 2 dimension. That is the hexagonal close pack layer of 2 dimension. Here we place the second layer by covering the depression of the first layer. Second layer placed by covering the depression of the first layer. This gapping is the depression of first layer. Then we place the second layer by covering the depression of first layer by this ways. Depression of first layer is covered. Due to this arrangement, two types of wires are obtained. First, tetrahedral wires. Tetrahedral wires is the wires covered by the 4 sphere in such a manner. This wires is tetrahedral wires. Wires covered by the 4 sphere is called the tetrahedral wires. Next, octahedral wires. Wires covered by the 6 sphere is called the octahedral wires. We can draw the figure. Again, that is the wires covered by the 6 sphere. This is called the octahedral wires. Here again, third layer is placed by the 2 ways. Third layer of the hexagonal close packing of 2 dimension placed by the 2 ways. First ways by covering of tetrahedral wires. Then when the second layer placed above the first layer, then 2 types of wires are produced. First, octahedral wires. Second, tetrahedral wires. Then third layer placed by 2 ways. First, when the third layer placed by covering the tetrahedral wires, due to this process, hexagonal close packing structure or AB type of structure is obtained. Why AB type of structure is obtained? Because the third layer just above of the first layer. Because third layer just above the first layer. That means third layers arranged in such a manner that third layer appears just above the third layer. Due to this, crystal give the 2 appearance, that is called the AB type of appearance. Second process, by covering the octahedral wires. That means the third hexagonal close pack layer of 2D placed on the second layer as such a manner by which third layer cover the octahedral wires. That means the third layer cover the octahedral wires. This arrangement give the cubic close pack structure or ABC structure. Why ABC structure is called? Because third layer are not aligned on the first layer as well as second layer. Third layer are not aligned the first layer as well as second layer. Due to this, ABC type of structure is obtained. some important point, both HCP and CCP structure, both structure are the face centered unit cell and coordination number is 12. Calculation of the number of tetrahedral and octahedral wards. How can we calculate the number of tetrahedral and octahedral wards? Then if the number of CP is n, then number of tetrahedral wards equal to 2n and number of octahedral wards equal to n. When we calculate the number of watts, then we always consider the number of constituent particle is 1. Due to this, calculation of the numerical questions are easy, becomes easy. One question, one formula writing question based on the watts question. Atoms of elements B form the HCP lattice and those of the elements A occupies 2/3 of the tetrahedral watts. What is the formula of compound formed by the element A and B? And how can we calculate the formula of compound? Then we check this. B element form the HCP lattice. That means the element B form HCP lattice. That means crystal structure generated by the B element. Then we consider the number of B atom is 1. So let number of B atom equal to 1. Then we calculate the number of tetrahedral watts. Number of tetrahedral watts equal to 2n according to the formula. Number of tetrahedral watts equal to 2n, where n equal to 1. Why n equal to 1? Because the atom B form the HCP lattice and we consider the number of B atom is 1. Then number of tetrahedral watts equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2. अब यहाँ पे 1A atom occupies, that means one atom of element A occupies 2/3 of the tetrahedral watts. मतलब कि एक एलिमेंट A, वन एटम ऑफ एलिमेंट A वन टेट्राहेड्रल वाट्स का 2/3 पोर्शन ही कवर करता है. तो हमें चाहिए नंबर ऑफ ए एटम चाहिए. देन वी कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ ए एटम बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग नंबर ऑफ वाट्स एंड नंबर ऑफ covered portion. Then number of A atom equal to 2 into 2/3 equal to 4/3. Then the formula of compound A 4/3 B1. On simplifying, formula of the compound A4 B3. Thank you.